Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you what I received in my first Trendmood box. And I do also have some random stuff that I want to include in today's video. So if you are interested to learn more, then just keep on watching. So this is the Trendmood volume 15. And this is what the box looks like. I will tell you that it's even bigger than the BoxyCharm Premium. And I'm sure that everyone heard about Trendmood. She has a successful Instagram page, and you can see there she will share with you all the new releases. And also she does have a beauty box or a box, which is not a subscription. Those are limited edition boxes, and we are already at the volume 15. And recently, I think she started last year to ship to Europe. This box retailed for $39 US dollars, and there was like 5% off or something, and you do pay an additional shipping and tax if you are outside of US, but the good thing is that they will clear the custom for you. The shipping, it was taking longer, so I placed my order on March 23rd and it was shipped later, after 1 week, and after I have contacted her because I have seen people starting to post their boxes on Instagram, and I sent her email and she said that for international orders the dispatching time, it takes longer. Today we are on April 20, so 1 month later I have my first Trendmood box, and I think the value inside it's like double the price that I paid. So total with taxes and shipping, it was costing me for around $68, which I know it's a lot, but I get the double value. So for me, this is a value, if you want to say it on that way. So when I open it up, I took a picture because I already opened it. You have a QR code, which I'm going to scan it. Maybe we get more information about the product inside. And this is what it looks like. So this was everything sealed up with this purple seal where you have the Trendmood, and everything was nicely packed on this bubble wrap. So I believe we have 5 or 6 products. Now I'm trying to scan the QR code. That's interesting because when I scan the QR code, it sends me to the Trendmood volume 14 box. Never mind, I'm going to put the prices on the screen. First, I have this lovely cream, which I'm very excited about. This is by Biossance, and it is Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream, and we do get 50 mils. I'm not going to open it because I have a big overload of skincare and I need to go through my products, but sometimes, so very interesting how to open it. So I open it through this part and you do get your cream. So I never saw this kind of package. And this is the jar. It's like glass bottle to apply morning and night. Face cream, deeply moisturizer skin. We don't have any other information. This is good to use it for night. Doesn't have any parabens, silicones or other nasty ingredients. So really good brand. I have heard nice things about the brand. And this is the box where the actual cream was sitting on. And here is it on clean, conscious, high performance. Really nice. And here you have a brochure. You can pause the screen if you want. Then we got a set from this company. So first of all, I love the yellow packaging. So we have a moisturizer, hydrating face cream from Starface. This, it is 50 mils and it's cruelty-free and vegan. But I think this is the last step. So the first step, it is this yellow cute face, which are some patches. So those are patches you use on your pimples. Wow, they are on the shape of a star. So those are pimples that you put Those are patches that you put on your pimple. I do not have so many pimples, but from time to time I get, so I find those will be useful for me. And we do get 2 sets, and I believe there are like 20. Doesn't say how many are. And then, so actually this is the first step. So these are some clean swipe spot purifying wands. Those are some baguettes that you clean the pimple area before applying those patches. But I started upside down like I usually do it. And after you do that, you come with your moisturizer, with the moisturizer on Mars Hydrating Face Cream from Starface, which has as first ingredient water, caprylic acid and triglycerine. Also great ingredients, they are too small for me to read them. So I'm happy about this. I'm going to give it a go. And then there are coming the more cool stuff for me. So first I have a mascara from a brand that we cannot get here. And I know everybody is raving about this mascara because it is a tubing mascara. And here, when you open, it's written, don't look down here. I love the ombre packaging of this mascara. Maybe I can show you the one because, as I told you, I'm going to use it. So it's a straight wand. And my friend Tracy, I have asked her because I have seen she just put this out on her weekly stash, and she said that she's liking it. It's a not so intense, so I'm going to see what I think about it. And also she said that it's easy to remove it. And if you open this, there is a lot of story inside of the box. I'm not going to do that because I don't have time. And lastly, we have 2 products from M Cosmetics. M Cosmetics, actually, they do ship here. I have checked that they ship internationally, and they do also prepay taxes. So maybe later on this year, I'm going to do a haul on their website. So first I have the M Cosmetics True Gloss Volumizing Lip Gloss in the shade Faced Clementine. So this is what the shade looks here. So it's matching the shade of the gloss, and this is what the packaging looks like. I like this actual logo, and this is the gloss. Love the packaging, and it's matte. And here on the top you have also the M Cosmetics logo. Not sure if it's focusing. Nice color, and has a sweet scent to it. And it's quite opaque. I was not thinking that it's looking like almost like a liquid lipstick. And the last product that I got in my Trendmood box is this Color Drops Blush Serum, or Serum Blush. And I have another one, which I'm a little bit bugged up because the dropper is not properly working. And I think those are like complementary shades, because I have already swatched this one on my hand and I could tell that it's very pigmented. So it's coming with this pipette, which I think it's very easy to broke it. Okay, now it's working, but I am curious to see how much or how long it will work. Okay, so I swatched it previously and it was staining my hand. So nice color. And I love that it diffuses perfectly and gives a nice healthy glow and is not in your face. So I'm going to have to test it. This is my Trendmood box, my first Trendmood box that I got. I'm going to put the value here on the screen, or maybe I'll take it from her website because I think she mentioned that. I just have a little bit time to show you what I also received. Now we have here a company that I recently found due to a Instagram ad, and they are basically send you products to test in exchange of review. First I was accepted to be sent those 2 products by L'Oreal, and I was so excited about this powder, guys, because I was planning to buy it and I never found my shade. It was sold out due to the high hype that it was having this product in TikTok. So this is not new. It came out last year. So I have the 24-hour infallible fresh wear power foundation, or foundation in powder in the shade Ivory 20, and this matches me perfectly. I have used it 2 times because I had to submit my review, so I had to use it to see how I like it, and I do enjoy it. Spoiler alert. You have a mirror and the sponge, which is completely new. So I also love to apply this powder with my BK Beauty, I don't have it here, the 107 brush, the one that is not for the foundation. So this brush, I found that it packs too much product and it doesn't look so flawless, so very much enjoying it. And I'm even thinking to do a comparison with the e.l.f. powder if you are interested. So I know there are a lot of reviews and comparison about those 2 products, but I find they are not similar, so maybe I will do that for you later on this channel. And together on the same campaign, this is a lip balm, so I choose the shade 350, which is a insane-ish. I don't remember exactly, but I will put the name on the screen. So this is a glow or a sheer glow lipstick, and I absolutely love the shade. It's a blue undertone, kind of red, which flatters me. It's not very bright, it's not bam on your face, and you do have to use a lip liner because it's sheer formula and it's a very strong color. So if you are not having a very defined contour on your lips, I would recommend you to use with that. But I love it. It's very moisturizer and it fades nice, doesn't bleed. So I don't know what is about this formula, but it has a good amount of sheen that it hydrates the hell of your lips and do last a lot because it is a stain. So very excited about this. And then today I just received this lovely box. I opened it up because I didn't know what is inside. I did not get the email that I'm going to be sent those products. And look what I have inside, guys. I have some Neutrogena products. So I have 2 night products and 2 day products. So this is the anti-aging retinol boost serum, and this is the anti-age retinol boost eye cream, and then I have a retinol boost day cream with SPF 15. It's a little bit intriguing me that you have to use retinol during day. And a retinol boost night cream. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to do close-ups because I need to also do a Instagram post, but this is what the cream looks like. Alright you guys, this is everything I wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, let me know if you got this Trendmood volume 15 bucks and what do you think about it. And if you have tried some of those products, I think the Neutrogena stuff is new, and also this balm from L'Oreal, this sheer lipstick, it's new. So I don't know if you already have them over there in the United States. So I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Don't forget the most beautiful makeup, it's your own smile. Love you all guys, bye bye.